presence and exceptional talent, he has proven a track record of engaging audiences and creating memorable experiences. He brings experiences such as years in industry, notable events, or his special skills. Known for his charisma and quick wit, how to keep the energy high and the audience entertained. Please join me in welcoming on stage our MC for today, Mr. Boy Paulitas. Thank you po, sir, sa pagpapaunlak sa aming invitasyon.
Okay, so maraming salamat na sa napakagandang introduction. Ay, Boy Paulitas na. Okay, so